Moving on to another round of breaking update, and this is with regards to searches that were conducted on part of the Enforcement Directorate at the residences of the Aam Aadmi Party MP Ashok Mittal. According to latest update coming in, that the ED team seems to have completed an investigation and demarcated the premises early as around 5 in the morning, and there seems to be another location, what is now being said on part of the Enforcement Directorate, that the team also finished its search there and left the second residence at around 8:05 in the morning. So the ED seems to be now wrapping up the searches that were conducted at Ashok Mittal's residence, and the Aam Aadmi Party MP here seems to be in focus. And earlier what is being said that the raids or these searches were conducted at multiple locations, including two of his residences there. And the searches, meanwhile, according to this latest update, has ended today in the morning. मनोज हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे, तो ये आज सुबह की खबर बताई जा रही है क्या मनोज, कि सुबह 5 बजे एक घर में और दूसरे घर में सुबह 8:05 पर तब ये जो सर्चेस है ईडी की तरफ से ये कार्रवाई पूरी की गई है?
देखिए, ईडी की जो टीम कल पहुंची थी, जालंधर से ये जानकारी आई है कि सुबह तकरीबन 8:05 पर जो ईडी की टीमें हैं वो बाहर निकली हैं। तो कई घंटे तक जो ईडी की टीम है वो वहां पर रही हैं। काफी दस्तावेज वहां से बरामद हुए हैं और कुछ सामान भी जो ईडी की टीमें हैं वो अपने साथ लेकर गई हैं। तो देखना होगा कि किस तरीके से अधिकारी तौर पर अब ईडी की तरफ से जानकारी दी जाती है, लेकिन बहुत बड़े स्तर पर काफी गहनता के साथ ईडी ने जो तमाम ठिकाने हैं अशोक मित्तल के वो जालंधर में खंगाले हैं। जी।
All right, we are told that as far as other locations are also concerned, which include two of its residences, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party MP Ashok Mittal is concerned, latest information coming in that this morning is where the ED seems to have completed its searches. So today being the 16th of April, what is being said, one of the residences, the ED completed its investigation and departed the premises as early as 5 in the morning. And the second location is where the ED team finished its searches and left the second residence at around 8:05 a.m. धन्यवाद आपका मनोज हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Up. But ladies and gentlemen, please do not go anywhere. A historic build-up coming in before the special session of Parliament. Stay tuned to Times Now.